Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn how you can allow invited contacts in the Mega app to delete or to remove files from a shared folder. So let us guide you through this. So let me do this through the web application, guys, here in the Mega app. So you will need to be logged into your account, then navigate to your cloud drive here on the left hand side, navigate to the given folder. And let's assume, for example, you'd like to share the given folder, right? In this case, click into these three dots of the folder, then navigate to share and select share folder. Here guys, you will see, for example, the persons or the users who have been given access. You can invite more contacts and users to give or to grant access to them, to the given folder, by entering the contact name here from your contact list. But before you send the invitation or share the given folder by clicking into this button, what you want to do is click into that button here in the drop-down menu and select full access, because that will allow the invited user not only to view, to read and to write, and also to add files, but also to delete these, right? So let's say you would like to invite someone as an admin to take care of your shared folder, and if necessary to delete files and folders within that location, guys. So that's how it works. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it, and until next time.